Welcome back
to M.A.P Vlogs.
Today we're doing a farm tour and a vlog.
This is where they keep their chickens, and there's some baby chicks right there.
Their heads open down.
This is just like a huge pasture that they have.
Almost slipped and fell on my butt.
And there's a lot of acorns here. But there's just like these huge pastures where cows are. And then the turkeys are in here.
That guy looks familiar.
Turkeys are in there.
No. Oh my god, it's him.
Oh my gosh.
It's you.
Okay, this is a sheep.
I don't think he's that friendly. Do they?
Okay, these are all the sheep.
Dude, that one got his eye out and up.
There's a lot of sheep.
That's a lot. I don't even see all these ones. Excuse you.
That's not one that's familiar.
The piggies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Hey. Look at it. Look at it.
Okay, then these are the pigs, which they have a lot of pigs, but there's just some back here. And then that's just another pasture for the horses. And the horses, guys, the horses are right up there.
Does that one have blue? How fast do horses fall asleep?
Which Ombre's in a really weird position right now.
What the heck? Mocha, Blue, and Scout are going in a circle.
Oh.
My God. Oh my gosh, they fit. The flies are all over me.
Oh, get him. Yeah.
Boy! That was perfect opportunity for me. Boy. Oh, frick. Don't eat my shirt, boy. Oh my gosh. Jeez, Roy just really wants attention. There you go. Wait, what was that? Ew.
Yeah.
And he's obsessed with him to subscribe.
Oh, okay.
It's very upset. Out! Go!
This is fly spray.
That's good. There.
Hold on, I can't see you now.
Should I try the new saddle? I don't know. Probably. It's just really tight.
Okay, that's good.
You think that's cute? There you go.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh my.
Okay, so this is the arena. It's huge, and then the road is right there. But you have to like walk through the horse's pasture to get in here. So okay guys, this is also the barn. It's like a huge thing, and there's also stairs to go like up there. So it's like a huge barn. And then they have like all this is where you drive in. And you can like park anywhere, and this is where they keep all the wood. And then you can see some of the horses right there. But there's like another pasture for the horses to be in. And then like way back there's where they keep some of their tractors and hay bales. And then this is the round pen. And then you take this trail to go down to the arena and to her backyard. But yeah, and that's also the playground. Thanks for watching.
Not vlogs. Come back for the next one.